Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 12, Location and Language Targeting. In this lesson, we will discuss the importance of location and language, targeting in pay-per-click, PPC, advertising, and how to effectively use these targeting options to reach your desired audience. 1. Location targeting. Define your target market. Identify the geographic locations where your target audience is located. Target specific locations. Target your ads to specific countries, regions, cities, or even a radius around a specific location. Exclude irrelevant locations. Exclude locations where your products or services are not available or where you do not want your ads to appear. 2. Language targeting. Determine the languages spoken by your audience. Identify the languages spoken by your target audience. Target specific languages. Target your ads to users who speak a specific language or set of languages. Consider cultural nuances. Consider the cultural nuances of different language speakers and tailor your ad copy accordingly. 3. Combine targeting. Combine location and language targeting. Target users based on both their location and language preferences for more precise targeting. Consider local language variants. If your target audience speaks multiple languages or dialects, consider targeting specific language variants to improve ad relevance. 4. Benefits of location and language targeting. Relevance. Targeting users based on their location and language preferences makes your ads more relevant to them, increasing the likelihood of engagement. Cost effectiveness. By targeting specific locations and languages, you can optimize your ad spend and improve your return on investment, ROI. Improved user experience. Providing ads in users' preferred languages and targeting them based on their location enhances their overall experience with your brand. 5. How to set up location and language targeting. In Google Ads, navigate to your campaign settings and select the locations and languages you want to target. In Microsoft Advertising, go to your campaign settings and choose your target locations and languages. In Facebook Ads Manager, select the locations and languages you want to target when creating your ad set. 6. Monitoring and optimization. Regularly monitor the performance of your ads based on location and language targeting. Adjust your targeting settings as needed to optimize your campaigns for better results. By effectively using location and language targeting in your PPC campaigns, you can reach your desired audience more effectively, improve ad relevance, and maximize your campaign performance.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.